Tribe. So I decided I want to make a vlog because I am here looking at myself. This is my New Year's Eve outfit, and I didn't bother to like put a video how to put makeup because I don't really know what is going to be my makeup. I tried to do a eyeshadow that is like smoky, but it doesn't work. So try, because first of all I ran out of eyebrow pencil. See, I'm totally unprepared anyway, but at least I get to have some outfit. Baba boom, sparkle, fabulous. So I end up like erasing all that smoky eye because I look like a raccoon, like really a raccoon, that a hungry raccoon or something like or a raccoon that's like you know, just like went into like some the trash bins or something because it's all over. So I tried to clean it up, and I just tried to do like a barely there fresh because it's December 31st, Friday, 6 p.m. and I want to go to the fireworks cruise party, and that's going to be at Skyport Marina. So now I'm like thinking, yeah, I'm going to make a quick vlog. I'm going to put this in the journal and log it in and share it to Soul Tribe, put it all together anyway. And I still have to like get more vlogs where we at, and I hope, cross fingers, it's nice in there because I've never done this cruise fireworks. But it's the idea, whether it's going to be shitty or not. It's the idea that I didn't pay much ticket for it. It was like, should I even tell you? It's like $50 for the ticket. But I'm just trying to get on the experience to see the fireworks. Other cruise fireworks party is going to charge like 300, 700, and I don't have that money. So try. So just to let you know. And you know, I just want to get the experience to see the fireworks. We're going to be watching the same fireworks. Either you're going to pay $700 for a buffet, a dinner, and a fireworks. So the cruise party, the fireworks party that I'm going to attend doesn't have the buffet dinner, doesn't have the drinks, but it's okay. I already ate, or I'm just going to buy drinks and some food in there if they have some burger or something. So I don't know. So try, I'm going to see, and now I'm going to call Uber and we will see. I know it's going to be 10 o'clock, but it's Friday night, so maybe I should go there now because maybe the roads are closed. So I don't know. I'm kind of like, I don't want to be waiting there for a long time. What if they don't have a bathroom? What if like they don't have a waiting room, a sitting room? But it's the risk that you have to take if you want to go attend like events like a fireworks New Year's Eve. So try, it's New Year's Eve tonight. I mean, it's December 31st, 6 p.m. It's New Year's Eve tonight. It's like in a few hours. But you know what? This is my first New Year's Eve fireworks. I did before like the July 4th. But you know what? For the last 2 years, with all the lockdown, a lot of things happened. And then so I started like doing my bucket list, like what I did, what I need to do. So Tribe, this is my outfit and how I look like and like the light right now, and we will see. So I'm going to call Uber now, and Happy New Year, okay? And we're going to see what's happening in there. Oh my God, praying it's going to be beautiful. All right, bye. Update. I just noticed that my mascara was bleeding. I can even see, and I was waiting here since 6 p.m. and the cruise is going to be boarding like 9:30, 9:45, but I'm here. It's a lot more people a while ago, but some already boarded, but we are here on the yacht. Alright, so yeah, and I was waiting to make a vlog until like I get to the yacht. But since I am here, like perched like a bird here, like in the barricade, and I've already been telling the security guard, where is it? But I'm so thankful because now I don't feel so like lost there. Where's the fireworks party? We're going to get there. Okay, so I'm going to. Yep. So this is it, and I'm going to fix my. See, this is the reason like I don't want to put a lot of makeup because mostly if you're going to be winging it, you gotta be Girl Scout, Boy Scout, okay? Because still a lot of people, and this is it, okay? I'll give you an update soon until we get to the Happy New Year, okay? So I waited outside for like 3 hours, and I thought I was feeling lost, but we made it. Happy New Year, my Soul Tribe, and thank you very much for watching my channel and being with me for the last 3 years with my evolving style, with feistiness and cattiness, and here we are, so oh my gosh. Alright, we will look for the fireworks because we made it. Okay, I don't want to drain my battery. The main reason why I really want to be here because we want to see the fireworks. Okay, thank you very much. By the water. Yeah, we are here. And I found the friends. We are watching each other here, right? Yeah. Happy New Year. It's 15 minutes to New Year. Yeah. And then we're going to see the fireworks here. Okay, be right back. Look guys, this is the closest in the water I've ever been. Look at the water. Oh my god, it feels like it's so close. I hope we got to see the fireworks in the sky because it's almost going to be soon, and all the other yachts over there. Oh no, it looks like the boat is a little bit sinking or something. The water is so blue. And I don't want to drop my phone here also. Hey guys, I didn't even realize that we are so close to the Lady Liberty. Look, that's Lady Liberty, and it's nice. And all the other yachts are waiting. I hope we get to see the fireworks from here. It's so beautiful, and yep, we have our little space here. And I put on my jacket because I was feeling cold. But yep, there you go. There's Lady Liberty! Freedom! Happy New Year! Bye bye 2021! Hello 2022! What? Are you crying? Oh my god, someone's already crying. Oh, don't cry. Oh my gosh. Guys, I have fun and I don't want to cry. Maybe I will when I see the fireworks, but we had beautiful view in here, right next to the water, and we are on the Cabana fireworks cruise party, which I was just standing in there waiting for like 3 months. No, it's like 3 hours, the longest 3 hours of my life, the last day of 2021. So guys, take a look at the Lady Liberty. It's a beautiful day and happy 2022. Is it New Year yet? Is it New Year? 1 minute, okay, stop yet. Drown all the sorrows away, the bad juju. Forget you, bad juju. It's 1 minute. She's from DC. Oh! It's meant to be. We have to meet tonight, right? Woo! I hate you 2020, 2021. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Rose!
Birthday shot, right? Where is that? One more birthday shot. The first,
Finale. Wow, this fireworks is really a good show. And Liberty is like over there, but we're here in the lower deck. So, wow. Hey guys, you know, like these fireworks still going on.
他拍了一个好的，我认为地铁能做2兆，能一小时够30来头。
Hello 2022.
It's a party, baby. I'm taking care of everybody tonight, real quick. Everybody can get their shot this down. It's 2022. I got you, Paco. Let me work a little bit. I know I'm good at what I do.